Hello everyone, it's just a dad. Today I'm going to do an unboxing and review on this ViewSonic 24-inch QHLED display. So first let's go over everything. Here's everything that comes in the box. We've got 3 cables. Nope, 4 cables. Power cord. Looks like a USB. This one's a USB-C to USB-C. And this one is DisplayPort. No, this is HDMI. This is an HDMI and HDMI cable. We got the base mount, and then this does adjust up and down. So here you can mount it to an arm. It's got the monitor display right there. There's where the power is going to go. We've got HDMI, DisplayPort, USB Type-C, USB, and USB. So there's what the ports look like. So I'm going to use the stand that it comes with. So just put the front feet in, or the top feet, and push it down until it snaps into place. Now I can rotate this also, either way. And if I need to take that off, I'm just simply going to press that button right there and it'll come off. Now we need to screw this stand onto there. So I like that you don't have to use tools. You can lift this little tab up and screw down that screw, put it tight. There is a little feed here. Now it's completely installed. So here I have an iMac, and I'm trying to match the intensity of this iMac. And here we have the ViewSonic. I think it's pretty close to being the same quality. The iMac is a little bit clearer. So here we can see there's the color of the iMac, and over here is the color of the ViewSonic. I did turn it to movie mode. So it's not exactly the same, but it's pretty close. Now over here there are settings I can do. That's where I was in office mode. I think movie mode was a little bit clearer. I can move them up and down. Here's where I got all different kinds of settings. I like that the buttons are on the front. There's the power button all the way to the right. Color adjustment, view mode. I can adjust the sound and the input mode. I've got HDMI, DisplayPort, and Type-C. I'm using Type-C. And here's the Type-C cable. It hangs down a little bit. I've got them going through there. Here's what it looks over here compared to the iMac. I was able to adjust it up and down to match the iMac. I hope this video helps. Thanks everybody for watching.